Hello everyone, good day. In this video at this time, I want to talk to you about richest men in selected countries, what job they did or what business they do, the region they are in, and their net worth. I'm bringing this video to you at this time because you want to make money. It's important for you also to know the people that are the wealthiest per country or that are wealthiest per place, what they do, the business they are doing, and then their religious inclination and also their net worth. Number one richest man on my list or in the world, and need to let you know that this list I have here and what I'm telling you is based on Forbes list, the latest Forbes list of 2026. Number one richest man in the world is from USA and his name is Elon Musk. The business is into or what he do to get rich is Tesla, SpaceX, and AI. And Elon Musk is an atheist, and his net worth is $421 billion. The second person on my list is from France, and his name is Bernard Arnault. Bernard Arnault is into luxury goods and is a Roman Catholic, and his net worth is $169 billion. The third richest man in the world for my list is from Mexico, and his name is Carlos Slim Huelu, and he is into telecoms and is a Catholic, and his net worth is $93 billion. The fourth person is Mukesh Ambani. Ambani business is Reliance Industries, is into energy and retail, and he is Hindu, and his net worth is $87 billion. The next person is from Spain and is Amancio Ortega, and is into Zara Inditex, that is fashion, and is a Catholic, and his net worth is $77 billion US dollars. The next person, the richest person, is from Italy and is Giovanni Ferrero, and is into Ferrero, and the Ferrero is Nutella and also chocolate, and he is a Catholic, and his net worth is 43 billion. The next person is a German, and his name is Dieter Schwarz, and is into supermarket business. His religious inclination is not known. The next person, and his own net worth is 47 billion. The next person is from UK, United Kingdom, and is Michael Platt. Michael Platt is into hedge funds, Blue Crest, and he is Jewish, and his net worth is 24 billion US dollars. Hong Kong is where the next person comes from, and his name is Li Ka-shing, and he is into CK Uchsin, ports and real estate, and is Buddhist, and his net worth is 39 billion US dollars. The next person is Vajit Alek Peruv, and is Russian, and is into Luke oil, that is into oil, and he is Muslim, and his net worth is 29 billion US dollars. The next person is Changpeng Zhou CZ, and is from Canada, and is the owner of Binance, is into crypto. His religious inclination is not known, and his net worth is 33 billion US dollars. The next person is from Australia, and this Australian is called Gina Reinhardt, and is into mining, Hancock prospecting, and is a Christian with net worth of 29 billion US dollars. The next person is from Nigeria, and is Alhaji Aliko Dangote, and is into Dangote Cement, into the cement group, and also into oil refinery currently, and is a Muslim, and his own net worth is 14 billion US dollars. South Africa has Johan Rupert, who is into Richmond, that is luxury business, and he is Calvinist. He is also a Christian, and his net worth is 11 billion. The next person is from United Arab Emirates and is Pavel Durov, and is into Telegram business, and he is an atheist with 15 billion US dollar as his net worth. The next person is from Thailand, and this individual is called Charumen. The next name is very, very long. Srivatana D. Is into real estate and alcohol, and he is Buddhist, and his net worth is 15 billion US dollars. Egypt is where the first person comes from, and the next person is Nassef Sawiris, and he's into construction and investments, and his own net worth is a Christian, and his net worth is 6 billion US dollar. Israel has a Eyal Offer. He's into real estate and shipping, and is Jewish, and his net worth is 15 billion US dollars. Indonesia has Lo Tok Kwong. He is Bayan Resources, into coal, and his religion is unknown. He has 7 billion US dollars as his net worth. The next person is from Japan, and is Takemitsu Takizaki, and Kenyan's census, and is a Buddhist, Shinto Buddhist, and his net worth is 27 billion US dollars. South Korea has the next person, which is Shin Dong Bin, and is into Lotte Group, is a retail, and his religion is unknown, and his net worth is 4 billion US dollars. Next person is from Turkey, and this Turkish, we have Muresh Yuka. Udex Holdings is into food, and is a Muslim, and his net worth is 5 billion US dollars. The next person is from Saudi Arabia, and is Prince Al-Walid bin Talal, and is into investments and kingdom holding, and is a Muslim with 17 billion as his net worth. The next person is from Switzerland with net worth of 13 billion, is a Catholic, and is into shipping, and his name is Luigi Aponte. The next person's net worth is 17 billion, and is a Lutheran. He's a Lutheran, and is into fashion, and is from Sweden, and the name is Stefan Persson. The next person is Chalindi Kavahu Henken from the Netherlands, and is into beer, Heineken beer, and is Catholic with 13 billion US dollar as his net worth. The next person is Maria Angelikosis, and is from Greece, and is into shipping also, and is an Orthodox Christian with 5 billion as net worth. And on and on, we have them in the list. So the reason why I'm bringing this to us at this time is to prepare us and make us to be gingered. So the richest men see their religion, see what they do that make them to be rich, and also to see their net worth. And from that, we can take inspiration, and we can know what we need to do to also become rich and wealthy anywhere we are. I believe you have gained value from this video. So tell me in the description section what riches you want to, what net worth you want to get to, and then what are you going to do? Do you need to change what you are doing currently, or you want to continue doing what you are doing, and then see how you can get wealthy? Religion does not affect, from what we see here, some are Christians, some are Muslims, some are Buddhists, some are Jewish. So it depends. Every country has their own people, no matter the religion, that becomes wealthy and they make money. So take a cue from these people and be on your way and your journey to wealth. I will talk to you in the next one. Until then, please like this video, share the link of this video with family and friends, and keep coming back to this channel for more content like this. I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.